So you've freed yourself from the mistaken belief that you have to understand grammar, or that you have to waste time on unnecessary extra activities, and you've learned what the 3 core exercises are. Now it's time to hear about the unexpected side effect of focusing on the 3 core exercises. Here's the important thing about the 3 core exercises. They're tough. They take effort, real neurological effort. As a result of that, they actually build new synapses for you. And they build them so well that instead of forming short-term memories, which is what happens in ordinary Welsh classes, they actually build long-term memories. Now, you don't need me to tell you that long-term memories are a huge advantage for a Welsh learner. How long is long-term? Well, our record so far for time spent without doing any learning and then reactivating almost everything within 30 minutes is over 16 months. 16 months without any work, 1 reactivation session, and then all the long-term memories are still there. And one of the biggest reasons for people giving up on learning Welsh? It's when they miss a session or 2, or miss a week or 2, or need to skip a few months, and then they lose all their short-term memories from Welsh class, and the idea of starting all over again feels like an impossible cliff to climb. When you focus relentlessly on the 3 core exercises, you just don't have this problem. You can take as much time off as you want, and when you start working again, you'll discover your long-term memories are all still safely there. Now, if you're like most people, you can see how all this fits together. You avoid the time sink of grammar and fun activities, you focus on the 3 core exercises, and you build long-term memories instead of short-term memories. And now you've seen how different it is to traditional classroom learning, you're probably finding it a little easier to believe that people can achieve startling results in just days or weeks with this approach. But if you're like most people, right now you're feeling that you don't know exactly how to get started with it. So let me start by telling you about an approach I don't actually recommend for you. The fastest possible approach is on our 10-day residential immersion courses. They take you from 0 Welsh to conversational confidence in just those 10 days. They're insanely intensive. We call them our brain shock courses because they put your brain under a truly remarkable amount of pressure. And because of that, they get staggering results, genuinely breathtaking stuff. But no, I'm not recommending a 10-day brain shock course for you. There are 2 reasons why not. First of all, our residential courses have turned out to be complicated to organise, so we've ended up working one-on-one instead of in small groups, and that puts the price out of the reach of most people at £4,000 for the 10 days, or £2,000 if you do the work online instead of the residential option. The second reason why I don't recommend the 10-day course to you is that because we are passionate about the future of the Welsh language and we have always wanted to make this approach as widely accessible as possible, we've been building a blended online approach that takes you through exactly what we do in the 10 days and even more, and gets the same or even better results. This has now become our flagship programme, our popular 6-month Welsh Speaker programme. It's a less expensive, less time-consuming way to get as many of our learners as possible through as much as possible of what we cover in a 10-day, £4,000 brain shock course, and to get the same eye-opening results. On the 6-month Welsh Speaker course, you have a set of weekly tasks. The weekly tasks take you through all of the 3 core exercises, learning, listening, speaking, in exactly the right way, at exactly the right time. They're a combination of media files, but also micro steps towards interaction, speaking practice, and listening work. Everything you need to become a Welsh speaker, and 0 wasted time. As well as the weekly tasks, You also have the option, if you want, to join a live video group on Tuesday evenings and Thursday evenings between 6 and 8 for an hour's Q&A and an hour practicing speaking Welsh on a hot seat basis. It's not mandatory, you're welcome to drop in and out whenever you feel like it, and we'll be adding more days and more time slots as soon as we can. You also have access to a private support community where hundreds of learners are helping each other and arranging group practices and even running speed dating Welsh practice sessions. And because we know that this is exactly what you need and all you need to become a confident Welsh speaker in just 6 months, we offer a complete 100% guarantee. If this doesn't turn you into a confident Welsh speaker, and that's your decision, not ours, then we refund you in full. In fact, if you decide it's not for you at any point, just let us know. We pride ourselves on how quickly we refund people who don't get the results we expect for them. In fact, to help keep you focused and successful, if you fall behind with the lessons and don't catch up when you get the first couple of warning emails, we won't even wait for you to tell us that it isn't going well. We'll just go right ahead and refund you ourselves. But there is a catch. You have to be willing to put in from 2 to 4 hours a week. We can't turn you into a genuine conversational Welsh speaker in 6 months if you can't put in 2 to 4 hours a week. It doesn't matter when you put the time in. You can aim for half an hour a day, or a couple of longer sessions at the weekend, or a mixture, and you can chop and change as much as you want, as long as you get the time in. Also, you should be a beginner or an early intermediate learner. If you've already finished level 1 of Say Something in Welsh and started having conversations, you've already done most of the important stuff. We're planning to build a jump in at the deep end course for you later on though, so hang on in there, help is on the way. If you're a beginner or early intermediate, and if you're willing to put 2 to 4 hours in each week, and yes, we will be checking on your progress, then the 6-month Welsh Speaker course has been specifically designed to turn you into a confident Welsh speaker. If you'd like to see a full overview and the price, and don't worry, it's a fraction of the £4,000 for our residential one-on-one 10-day courses, just go to www.saysomethingin.com/6MWS.